and the dogs are in the pen with other sheep as well, killing them.
There's 110 sheep in the pen.
And they're killing them.
At least 15 or 10 or 15 dead in there
He's
now.
allowed to kill them, isn't he?
How many dogs are there? Two. Obviously, that's a lawfully held shotgun.
Yes.
Yeah. With consideration to the members of the public and ourselves, obviously you're more than lawful to shoot those dogs. You don't want to shoot because your sheep are there.
Well, I can't shoot.
And we can't get the sheep out without the dogs getting out.
Yeah.
And this is the only thing keeping us between this and...
Yeah, and then dogs can get through that fence.
Big dogs will come out and come at me.
Yeah, they're going to bite us if they come out.
I'm so sorry I can't do more, mate. I'm so sorry. We've got everyone on the way.
Beth am rhywun eisiau XL Bully? Dwi'n mynd dall pan bod chdi eisiau ci o'r ffasiwn beth mewn tŷ, mewn cartra. Meddwl chdi'r pa mor cryd nhw, faint a niwas yn y medru gwneud. A berig bywyd.
Just an update, the sergeant's on scene.
Where are they now?
They're in that big shed over there. I can just hear them killing sheep.
Os oes yna ci mynd ar ôl defyd, mae'n bosib weithio. Yn unig i ffarmwr, maen nhw'n hogia calad, ydy, maen nhw wedi hyn arfer anifiliad a cwn, cael gafel ar ci. Os ydych chi'n cymryd gafel ar XL Bully, nesa. Os ydych chi'n llawer o jans i chdi gerdded ôl na heb gael dyna hafyn ofnadwy.
3815, just wondering the ETA of firearms. Received. 25 miles.
That's firearms.
That's firearms.
Hang on, mate. 1 minute.
They're both dead. No, they're not. They're still moving. They're still moving. It's coming at us. Oh. Both dead.
You alright, yeah?
I've had to shoot dogs before, but it's just the upset of this.
Right, big breath.
Yeah,
Big breath, okay?
This is body-worn video footage of Rural Crime Team North Wales Police in reference to livestock attack. Here we have a number of sheep dead or currently severely injured and just about alive. Further sheep in this pen with further injuries.
Just chwalfa. Just llanas llwyr. Dwi'n gwybod, sut ti'n cael dros o beth felly, de? Uffan o sioc.
We have another 2 sheep deceased in the corner.
Mae'n anodd weithio, bidio bod yn flin efo perchennog o ci. Hwyl di'r ci, de, nes bod pethau'n mynd yn fler. Mae rhywbeth mor hawdd i rwystro. Ci ar denyn, cadwch y ci mewn, cadwch golwg lle mae'r ci, de. Yn aml iawn, di pobl jyst ddim yn meddwl. Just blerwch, di o, yn aml iawn, just blerwch. So, ie, brawychus, dau gwir. Sefyllfa anodd am nad un o'r bwythau mi weld yn yng Nghyrfa. So, eisiau gweld un eto, dau gwir.